What you do?
Yeah, I do something.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, go and talk. Me I listen.
From what you me I realize I not have no friend. Me not understand. No nobody to talk to. Or nobody. You know, if me want to go somewhere, me can say, Gigi, come link me, me go somewhere. Me not have any friend. Why you feel like me not have no friend?
I mean, I talk to what you say.
Well, me just simply have one conversation with you and you just a blame me.
What kind of conversation during my work at time?
Right now, rum bar one go on, you know. Drink some real rum. You think it's a rum?
Jam, without the way me drink rum. I just not fine with you, so.
Know yourself, man. Me you go down one bar and you beat some rum. You go get the first drink for your first time in your life.
What you smell, sir?
Who is you to answer that?
Oh. Send you go to school for nothing at all. So this you come out to.
No.
Are you plan this?
Me no grow with no mother. And me they are happy. Me ain't worse. Me alright. Me good. Remember say me need a mother. Me used to have a mother room, but me not used to. You know? What? Stop talk about your mother, my girl. I want to you. I want to make your mother go and about her business. You hear me say me not grow with no mother.
Go on with your friend. Tired of you. You see when you little young girl, when you're not ready to take man, before time, I saw no deal with parents, but you don't want parents to come hug up.
Or you going to come into somebody other and not introduce yourself? That's not this. Who's you? What's the problem? How may I help you?
I mean, James.
I don't know James, so I'm nowhere.
Yeah, alright, watch out now, so I gotta direct you to the spot. Alright? Oh, a nice little spot, man. A nice little tree, and you can kick back and relax. Just something nice like that, yeah, baby? Right. Oh, sorry about the baby. Once me tell you something, call all of my friends, them. I mean, but you say we are friends, right?
Yeah, we are
So
friends.
why are you making up a face like that?
Because if
There's
you
no
like
need.
you come off a weird start, I don't understand.
No, why you get... Oh, I'm Tia, man. Yeah, babe, sir. Come on, T, man.
Me not have a mother. And it come like me not have a father. If me not have a mother to talk to me, supposed to have a father, me can call and say, Daddy, I want to talk to you. That's what you have mother and father for. If your mother is dead, your father did. And if your father is dead, your mother did. And me not see what you both on for. You know what? I say I'm scared the day. I can't find you and call your phone and tell us I want to come build a voice video. She don't even know me hate her and I go up here and go pack up my stuff there and you're not see me back. Sorry, say you. For my friend, yeah, my best friend is a boy. Go along to James and James got damn idiot. Out of all of the girls them, and this that the girl you're choosing on about, eh? What make you do that, youth? You know if you're not good somebody, eh? You're dirty man, not James, eh?
So yeah, babe, so no lie, me like the girl while me choose her. Yeah.
James, you know say, you don't want nobody that I know. You don't want nobody that you just walk around and look everybody pick me and if you use them. One tear, James.
You subscribe yet?
Got a call from your mom today that things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. And she's missing the company of her daughter.
Hello. What's ya? Operator? Jesus Christ. How much time if you call this a little girl ya? Look here, operator, me need to ask you no question. You call me that you tell me about restricted and one but yo. Me try again. So see me now. Yes, I write number. Yes, I write number. What in a ring? Can't bother. The amount of time, it countless. It uncountable, Father God. Me can't get her. It's like them do it for spite and turn off the phone. Or her phone dead or her phone lost or somebody thief. Me don't know, you know what? Me can go for that dirty girl there, you know. Go look if me pick me up there. All you look for me, where dirty Amanda there, where your daughter there? You see she take with my daughter and carry my daughter come her yard? Me need my daughter. Hey, if me ever hold your daughter, you Mr. Sir, me no know you from nowhere and me no want to know your name. But me know some my daughter they stay on the yard. And me need her right now. Where your daughter there?
She gone on the road there now.
With my daughter?
Yeah, they must gone to the river or whatever down the road there.
I show you talk?
Yeah man, I really.
I wonder if you know who come in your yard. Me no ramp with people, you know.
Me know man.
Let me tell you, I don't like tell people my business, you know. But you look like you enough and inquisitive and want to know my business. Me and my baby father left. And you look like you and him and one, you know. I don't want to bust up your face up here today, you know. You see if you have me that in your house and I go like you know.
Yeah.
You see me go down the road and no river and me no see her.
Yeah.
When me come back up, judgment take you.
No bother with it man. Just take it easy. Take it easy.
Daddy, what do you mean when I call you for? Me I call you to tell us that I don't have no food because I leave Amanda yard last night. You wouldn't want to know when I sleep last night. What do you mean by you don't talk to me and tell me how everything's set in your yard? That don't have nothing to do with me. So you're going to have me out on the road? What do you mean, because my mother need to go home? You know me and my mother can't agree, so what do you mean by go home? Me and you don't have this conversation here, and you're going to make it difficult again for we talk about this more always talk about. We talk about already? Don't make things difficult. It's either me come stay with you or me go stay up on the street. And I know you wouldn't want that for your reputation. Because, Daddy, listen to me. Send me a location so I can know where to come. Stop telling me to go to my mother's yard. What do you mean by go to my mother's yard? You're going to send the location, yes or no? Because I can't bother with it. Back and forth. Is it you're going to send it or not? Matter of fact, I'm not even having a service for the location. So either you're going to tell me the direction. From the yard where you come the other day from up there, so which part I must go? And then turn where? You see, you're not even care, you're not even could have said me come meet you. It's all cool, we will find no way. No way, me call you back or something. Okay then.
Me just stand up on purpose.
Okay.
So, what is the matter with you? You just heated or what happened?
I know nothing. I feel like you eat it because you come in and stamp the door, so I ask for the reason, but...
Come on, man. Stop making things flip around and everything. Alright. I have something to talk to you about. I really want you to understand what I say. And take what I say. It's not something I force by you, but at the end of the day, it's like, it's something I have to do. And I think it's the best thing for me, though, as a man in a demo time. You understand me? Because I haven't been there 100%. And from she reach out a certain way, I want to say, alright, let me try. See? It's to me, man. Let me tell you about that, alright?
Okay.
And she basically now have a good relationship with her mother. You know, I explain it to her this, my daughter and my mother and her mother kind of not really. No, I mix up everything because I'm nervous because I don't want to get this so wrong. For her mother and me not really have a good relationship. And look like the same thing that can happen right now. You understand? Them can't agree, they can't live in the same place. So she has said to me, said she want to come stay with me. There's an extra room over there, so I'm going to stay in that room there. You understand? So I don't want you look upon it like me and force nobody upon you.
No, you can't force nobody upon me, eh?
So just understand, so I'm going to make you forward, yeah?
You gonna do what? Cause it sound like you make up your... We supposed to talk about this and come to an agreement, right?
Yeah,
it sound like you make up your mind already.
It's not about make up my mind already, it's about the facts. I'm a daughter you talk about it.
Yeah, but what you have to do with me though?
You just have to do it you to understand say it's a situation. Now, as I tell you from before, I now force nothing.
Yeah, you can't force nothing upon me.
Yeah, let's please, this time for once, just understand say you want your help. See, help me now.
Oh, I'm gonna help you, because I'm not take care of nobody. I am not going to share big as a matter of fact. As a matter of and a big pitney, you don't how much.
Yeah, big girl. So it's not a matter of that. They have share a late start based on everything. You understand what I say? Just make me just do this one thing and do it with you together. At least I think I'm going to determine the strength of our relationship, you know. Only if you know that. Based on how we deal with this now, go determine if we actually meant to be together. Because you don't know, so you can't pick me already. I mean, I have no problem with
you. How dare you? There's no way you're going to bring up that.
No, but I don't matter bring up that. But me as I say, you know, have a problem with that as a man. Knowing say boy, yeah, nothing wrong with my testicles them. You can't do what I want to do. Me no have a problem with say boy. Alright, my girlfriend with me, she explained to me so she can't pick me. So me still have her. No man don't tell yourself go on. Me tell her that. No man not run you away and nobody in and nothing with you. But because me genuinely.
Do not touch me.
What do you mean don't touch you? I don't understand why you make it seem like something where we go argue and fight.
Listen to me, listen to me. Are you a pitney at the end of the day, do what you want to do. Are you a place, do what you want to do. But I'm not going to get involved. She go there and I'm not going to care. You understand what I say?
She want to even help her with certain things.
What is there for me to help her with? She's a big girl. She can... Me I say, listen to me. Me I say, alright, bring her come. Are you a pitney in the room today? Bring her come, but me not have nothing to do with it. Me not have nothing to do with it. Bring her come.
Listen to me, son. Alright, this is what I'm saying to you. I don't want that energy there with you and she.
I can't promise you nothing.
What do you mean you can't
promise? I cannot promise you anything because oh dear, me and you have a conversation. Listen, I don't want to get upset. You hear me?
You're upset already, but I don't know why you get upset for the talk we are talking already.
Because you irritate me. Because you come to me and make the decision already. You plan out everything and you come to me and tell me about she go move in. You not have a say?
I'm sorry to make it sound like I make a decision already, but she called me and she say all kind of things and it's like, you know, the father antenna start pop up in the middle.
I'm gonna say it's fine, bring her come, but count me out.
That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Alright, here we go. Just don't in an argument with her and we take it in stages.
Why make her in an argument with her? She's a child.
Because of how you stay, you will there so and just out of nothing, out of magic, out of the ear, just pop up one problem for nothing at all.
Give him a space. Go on. Mr. Bring him picnic come if you bring her come. Give him a space. Don't touch me, excuse.
Come here. Come here now. Come here, let's relax, man.
Don't touch
Come
me,
here, man. Come here, man. Come here, man. And calm down. We know see you have high pressure already. Just relax, man. Alright, my baby? Nobody not take your place. Come on, say that you're upset about. Alright? Just relax, man. Calm down. Relax yourself. You know, inhale, exhale. You know, spread your foot out.
Stop it.
No, but I know exactly say you just want to relax. Alright? Alright? Look for me, babe. Look for me now.
You know I cannot have kids and you bring your daughter in my life and I come and tell me I know I can't have kids. So what you ask them
I'm
supposed
just
to
saying I
do?
love you unconditionally. Alright?
You subscribe yet?
Babe, I wanna say that. But you have all reason for doing it when you're cool. Babe!
What? I don't know where you are from. You know, I tell us I need some space. I'm coming around to find me. What?
Maria,
What is it?
Maria, listen to me, Maria. I like how you saw you just have to take this thing on a different level, like you feel like it's a girl that go take a space. My daughter, you know, and you're my woman, you're my heartbeat. I see you just
It's
come.
not about that. What kind of band me and I can make?
You go make because you
You see,
want
if
me.
you want to look at toddler, that different. Yeah, bring one big old pit in my life. I'm supposed to do. Suppose you know the manners. Oh, me and I go back and forth every time?
But it sound like you are the person with not gonna man.
Because me try to expect the unexpected. And I understand me condition my mind already.
But you're conditioning your mind for negative. That makes sense, babe?
Yes, it makes sense. Why it don't make no sense?
It don't make no sense because negative attracts negative. Thought attracts that upon which it is directed.
Why you come on here? Why you come on here and disturb me?
Because
you don't feel like so this is a lot for me and I actually need some time to think?
I tell you. In life, sometimes you have to understand, say, it's not about thinking by yourself. We could go through it together.
Why we gonna go through together when you get up and plan things for you when I come to me after you make the decision, come and tell me say that I'm moving? No.
Listen.
Yeah. What?
For God's sake, believe me when I tell you, say, I know something plan like that. You understand? Hello? Okay, what I get? Alright, may I come, yeah? May I come?
What are we get?
Yeah,
man, go on fair. You can't say, I never tell you that I'm not going to be a part of nothing what you're doing and your child and your responsibility. You understand? You understand what I said to you?
It's not going to make no sense, it's not add up. Yeah, come with me, come meet her. First.
Come meet who?
Alright. Whenever you come upstairs, we can make your
yeah, whenever
family.
I come upstairs.
Soon come. My daughter. Yo, my brother. Me there, good. Same. Me there, pana. You know, me just a link up with my daughter. Give me about 2 minutes and I'm call you back, here. Alright, so 2 minutes and I'm call you back. Yeah, alright, cool. Welcome, my girl. Jesus Christ! Happy to see you. You alright?
I'm good.
So make you give me attitude. Come and take your bag, man. Come, you carry it. So. Right, so this is our place. Fridge, we have little egg and bread and so forth. Something in the fridge can cook, yeah? And you don't know, say stove there and everything there. We have tin mackerel and something.
Me hungry right now.
I just tell you just in case. Over there's our full room. This is our place. Yeah, me and Maria. And this is your room. We soon make her introduce. When we soon introduce to Maria, here she downstairs, she soon come. Yeah? Just get comfortable and relax. Alright? Babe.
Excuse me.
Babe, just relax now. Just calm. Just.
What is it?
I'm going to introduce you to the doctor. Come here. Here? But me I beg you, please. Just number that. Just do this to me now. Smile. Smile.
Which one should I?
I get some money. Smile. How much money?
You
5,000?
tell me what you want.
10,000?
Which part?
15,000?
Which part you know?
20,000? 25,000? Going once? Going. No man, this is serious. She in the room. Listen.
Good evening. Good evening.
You put some space to answer?
Relax.
Normally when somebody tell the evening and respond same time, good evening.
Good evening.
Exactly.
Maria, this is my daughter. Tamika, this is Maria.
So, negative. But why is she coming with all this attitude?
No,
What?
Listen. Nobody with that. Maria this is Mr. Tamika. Tamika, you have to understand, say, I was living there for a long time. She's not really used to nobody being here. You understand?
I'm not going to, but you not forget your rules, but I'm going to put on some rules. Not because she's your woman. First of all, I don't work with steps. Step is something I walk on. So if I don't take message, I will say from step. Okay, I'm going to put on some rules. She not going to come talk to me like, yeah, my mother.
Tamika.
No, yeah, so one. Mm-hmm.
You're not going to talk to me like my mother.
Right.
And my father already told me, you don't want me, and you're not going to. Me a big girl, I don't want it.
I never said that. I never. No.
Okay.
Tamika, what you doing, Tamika?
Down here, so I'm still there.
Okay. The other one.
Tamika.
You done?
Alright.
And don't come over talk when you talk. And don't shut up my talk. Don't
So I can talk now? As calm as I can and as respectful as I can. The house no belongs to your father alone. So when you there at Ines, you go steal the food and him alone buy it, you're not going to come in, you go drink and eat anything you want to eat. And you're a child, I'm going to have respect to me. Do not play with me. So you come in here, boy, you lay down rules. Remember, say you're pitney, do not play with me. Control her.
Tamika, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't. You see how you have your so-called woman that come disrespect me?
Tamika, listen.
What she mean by this is not your house?
Tamika, listen. You listen what I say? Me and father.
Make sure stay around yourself, I'm staying inside. Anything will come on this house, I'm not going to as much as more. Right now, I'm hungry, I need to go look for something.
Tamika, you saw me
and you should come in and move here. I just go pack up my stuff and
Tamika!
Listen,
hey, listen and stop foolishness. We are talking about yourself and
why you never just go put me in a one?
But you're here in your home. This is my father.
I mean, not feel welcome?
Because of who you are going. You hear your voice? And your mother's side that dirty street is, you know. Because I understand why you feel like this is the first thing you're going to approach a person with. And say, here, this is mine. This is my name.
You see,
no manners.
I don't work with step because you pick up fishy. You know, see how she come in here with her attitude.
Tamika.
Evelyn. Or whatever she says.
Tamika, you listen to me? Listen to me and trust me. Please be all ears. You cannot be acting like this and expect the people funny or act weird for you. This attitude we are bring with is the result of why everybody I go give her this thing. You see now, accept what I try to make. Does it make sense 1 second? You see, if you continuously put in what you always put in, you're going to get out the same thing what you always get out of it. This attitude thing we are carrying out, it's not going to be nothing more than attitude back to you. You understand me I say? I am not taking no side. I'm a daughter. Where do me carry her?
So why you never call her one side and talk to her about her attitude before you bring her here in here? So are you...
You don't know if me do that. And
you could never do that as she come in here.
As my daughter, me have to do it separate. I realize say, me have to talk to person to person differently out of each other's space. Because we have to understand say, I don't want battlefield this. I don't want who have this and who have that situation.
When you tell me, say she said she don't want me because she not going to invite
me.
But
who tell you that?
See upon the road.
Who tell you that?
You tell me.
I never say that to you. I say to you, say the situation complicated when I live.
So, me pick up my mom because...
When you still Tamika?
Just stay with family.
Tamika, listen. Lie down and relax and go sleep. Go. Just... Tamika.
Don't tell me what
Yeah, I'm your father, Tamika. Listen, I say for once.
Don't see him so.
Because I
you have to classify me as your daughter and I'll go put late. I said I go because if I said I go, I'm not going to stay here. Honestly, I'm not going to stay here.
Honestly. You think
I bet you know you're going to
say. What you say to me?
Just go and do it.
Let's go and sleep there. There. You are bad. Hello. Now go work.
You think you got work for? You need to go marry for you?
You can't calm down with this attitude, something? Can you calm down with this attitude, something? It takes two people to make a quarrel.
You're damn right.
And it takes two people to start a war.
Mhm.
See? And if you can just try to be the bigger one and be the peacemaker. Alright? So if you can even give us man some money.
What you say? What you say? After your child, you hear me say child, come in and go next to a big man, but she lay down rules, I'm supposed to feed who? Feed who?
Alright,
That's
me understand.
crazy.
Me talk carry and everything will fix. You understand me?
Mm.
So nobody just extend it. I go to work, I go bring back some food.
You better.
So you wanna cook?
Cook for who? Yeah, mother cook for me because I'm hungry. When I'm hungry, I will cook for me.
Alright, I'm so far, yeah? You just can't bother with this animosity.
We're going to tell her say in the year.
You tell her already.
Okay. And tell her to stay at my week.
You can't do this to me, Maria.
Me already do this for you.
Maria.
I already do this for you.
Ah, boy, rough, it is hard. I don't understand.
Why you feel like something don't understand? You know see what the problem? You go out, the child call into the say she want to come here, you make the decision for your own, you bring her come here. What's up fighting on the manners? Because even if she say I come in to her with attitude, she did already prepare to give me attitude because she go talk about say she have rules to lay out. I want Pitney, we are talking about, you know, we are talking about a child.
Let's do it. Alright, later. See? I have to go to work. I'm going to work and I want a good mindset.
Wanna work?
Even want to chop some inside of my mouth. The kiss me with heat a while and I can feel the energy and heat.
You get one kiss so wanna work. May God guide you for me. Alright?
I like that vibe that's still, but now.
Somebody in there?
I want, is what?
Where you going so far?
When you come out of the room, I bang down the door so far.
It's a bathroom. What you mean? I want to use it. What?
So if you come out, you realize I'm in my room, I'm in the bathroom, and I use my it, and I feel like I'm in the bathroom,
How
and I
much
use
me
it.
even know say you're in the room or you're not out here?
See, I feel like say if I'm there in the bathroom, I use me as the bathroom. You see, if you never did that look problem, but I knock the door and call and check if me in here. But you come and beat on the door, so me ask you what.
First of all, me and not the door for why you never answer for somebody. The
Yeah,
door closed. Jesus
girl.
Christ. Stop causing a scene over nothing. What's the
to me.
problem with you? You're there with my father, you already have him. Me can't take him from you, even though I'm a daddy. What you mean by?
Listen to me. Yeah, listen.
I am, me not there.
You come out of the room and I beat on the door. You never come knock on the door, check if somebody in there. You know me in there, so you come and beat on the door, me ask you what?
What is this? The sound so illiterate. This is a nap. I
Girl.
literally nap.
Yeah, irritate me. So if you talk, you talk. You know, you have 5 minutes.
No, it's all good. Just take it for yourself. I'll me in there. Take this down.
Tired, me can't go no further, you know. Where this drunk gonna pick up the phone? Yeah. I'm glad you hear me. I'm glad you hear me. As you open the phone, you have to hear me. When my daughter there? When my daughter there, I want to know my daughter there because I'm up and down all day from yesterday, today, every minute, every second and hour of my life, I look for her, I can't find her. The things that when I hear say go on, I can't bother with that. So it makes sense she just come back her yard. come back a see me yard, a fear yard. My yard is her home. A fear home. Me want she come back a me yard. Which part she there? What you mean she there a fear yard? A friend when since she there up a your yard. You know what? Me a come for my daughter. Me a come for her. Me no want my daughter live with no stepmother. The only thing me know as step are when me walk on. She not supposed to have no stepmother. You understand me? Yeah. Cause some things when me hear that me not true. And me never believe say up there she there. Because you don't call me and tell me nothing from she there. So I true there she there. Okay. So the person who call me and tell me where I go down. At your yard, say me not feel worry myself because at your yard. We pick me there. Okay, so I true, you have her up there and make me walk up and down like an idiot. True, she did wear the little dirty butterfoot girl. Amanda, me think say she did it still. Okay, alright, me I come for my daughter.
She said she whoever and look on the part. Jesus Christ. So-called stepmother here.
Sabon yang kamu nangin ya?
What is this morning? Yeah, look much about.
Me tell you, you see the first thing you come and tell us, and your daddy buy everything in here. You never ask first before your father buy egg?
No.
Him tell us them buy egg?
Wait. What's her name? What name again? Miss so-called mother. I'm freaking hungry. I'm gonna get up and look for some eat. And yeah, come this even that you have problem with?
No.
What you want me to do? Near me and piss fire? Cause since you don't want me use the batch, you don't want me use the stove. What you want me to do? Near me and piss fire? You don't want me to fall about it, you know? Me I go warn him, but because me don't know you have a problem. Yeah, the best thing you do is leave me alone here. And anyway, you take it this morning, me I go fry the egg.
Fry it now?
So watch me! Watch me!
Fry it now? Fry it.
Me have hand and me can't take it.
But as a matter of fact, let me tell you this. You go talk about you go make complaint to your father, you go this, you go that. Me not tell us your father don't buy nothing in here. We ain't go do about it.
All
you
of
go want me and
no,
drink me a fee money?
From come here, all I do is sleep. So me don't know which people get money from to buy stuff. Put in here, sir. Give me the
As a matter of fact, give me this. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give which egg? Give you which egg? Talk to me. You're full of so much chat. You can't. Light back the stove and see. Light back the stove and see. No, you can't like Zambo, the gas of your father by that. Who give you permission to come up?
Who give you permission to talk to my daughter like that?
She have manners?
You know no manners. That's why she not gonna have none to you. Respect go and respect come from.
You're damn right.
You know why you treat people picnic so? Because you cannot breed and you're not no picnic. You don't know how to take care of people picnic. That's why I deal with her so. Anyway, I come here from up your yard where you think you feel. My baby father yard where you think you're yours. I told me no one thing, I see a garbage you pick up. When me put on you take up and I know from how long you take you up, you can't breathe, you can't give one picnic. Who you?
So my man come to you and tell you my business.
You don't have to tell me.
No feel like you have nothing over me.
You don't have no secret.
No feel like you have nothing. And then have nothing to do with you.
Marina,
you're walking
the road. It's spread, that is no secret.
You're walking in my house and I try to disrespect me. Take your pitney and go on. If she come for take her and go. She don't welcome here, so take her and go on.
And look where you argue going.
It no matter. You can afford a bottle of oil.
What does she know?
Carry her go home, go feed her.
Yes, you?
Carry her home, go feed her.
First time me hear down the road about you, where they matter about you and my baby father. Me hear how you did a dead fit hungry. That's why I pick up. So guess what? Drink the oil for juice. She not dead for hungry and me she live with.
You can't make me feel
She
bad.
don't want to live with
You can't make me feel bad. Take your picnic, your bag in her room, go feed.
So you
take
can
her
treat
and
me
go
bad.
on.
Who you so to her mother not around her and you live with her father, you feel you can treat her anyway. Who you?
Why is she there in the first place?
Where you there?
Why is she there in the first place? Because I'm a man.
And your man
I'm a
are a pooper. And if she did kill her, you wouldn't get her.
Lady,
Up
what?
here you had to stay.
Me?
So now she come to stay with you. You can't treat her like a dog.
Come to stay with who? Me?
After you have her up
Come
here,
here.
sleep out place and I wash up place, the thing she don't call me and tell me you wouldn't get her up here if you can't stay with you if I never her father. Who
Relax
you?
yourself. Me have you a sleep
Relax.
out place?
Look how much things you have her up here do. You mess up the toilet and make sure you go in there the other day go clean up here. Who you? And make sure she phone me and call me and tell me say she not even have bleach nor sanitizer.
Like mother like that, yeah, that
Yes,
is a liar. Take her and
Mhm.
go on with her.
Anytime. You know what? And I wish no bad for you. Me a hope and pray you breed one day and get one child. And then you will understand how to treat people. You see you? It's a
Go for your things, them. Where you juggle
Go for which things?
Go for them.
You, a long time you say you're over worker. No way she care, she don't want back. Take them and wear them because you're not no clothes.
Make
And
sure
you're not
that's the
nothing
life
to them. Look here, look there. You know how much egg there for your yard? When we give it this morning to
You
a
see
little
like
old
come
man.
here, up your
See
worker.
the yard done.
You see like come here, up your worker, make sure you know we are sweating and in the cause we go up here the 2 hours.
Obia eat.
Alright.
Obia eat because you
Just
feel
give
say
me
you're
a
Obia man more than I'm
Just give me a
My
chance.
Obia man is God.
Alright.
That's when we go down on them Tony here and pray
Come
for you.
out of my house.
Come out another.
Come
Take me
out
out.
of my house.
Stand up. Take
Come
me out.
out.
Our father
Come
house.
out. Come
Another.
out. Come out. Come out.
This is Obia my money buy.
And what?
And what you
And
gonna do?
what?
Another.
Who want you out of my place?
Listen
Go on
to me.
out of there. Come out of my place.
You think I'm afraid of you?
And me wasn't afraid of you.
I'm not afraid of you no at all. And you can't put back your
A fighter come up
no
for fight?
day.
No, a fighter come up for fight. Cause look at you come in there with a lot of rich. I mean, make you know, say whatever your daddy tell you, say a lie. Me not ask her to do nothing. You see, when her father tell me, say, go bring her here, me tell the man, say, me no have nothing to do with the man in Pitney. I don't talk to this little girl, if she come and tell her about.
You see,
Me
you're
tell
not
her
a good step,
listen,
madam.
listen, you see
You're
when
not
they're
a
ready?
good step,
When they're ready, the door they're ready. So me don't shut to you.
You are
Me
my
don't talk to
stepdaughter
you.
and that you should have
Just come on, find a way out. Find a way out.
Find my way out.
Yeah, you can stay there and chat. Me not have nothing more to say to you. Me not have nothing more to say.
Look how soon you go left out here.
Cause must fight, you come up here for come fight. If you come for your pitney, then take up your pitney and go on. No, let me tell you, me no want no evening from you. Let me tell you this. You see? When you come back here later, me not go there. You understand? You and your baby mother and your pitney can move in. Cause me go leave your stuff for them. You understand what I say? Me no want you where you have to say me I tell you and me have to say and that's why I call you. Cause me I tell you say baby mother come up here for fight. But she come for pitney in a one bag of talking with me. Yes, she come here. Yes, just look a while. No, she come here in a rage. But me not have no manners and her daughter. Your daughter call her and tell her about say me have her a clean bathroom. When that happen? Yes, me not tell her lie, that's what she say. I mean make you know say me not Tanya. So what I supposed to mean? Yeah, but me I tell her say she never have no manners to me. I there enough time and see she not have no respect either, so I'm supposed to have manners to her for. I feel them side of the pan. Alright, cool, stay up on them side. I'm going to left the place for your pitney here. Yes. As a matter of
Tired. I talk to you right after because I don't want to go down this way heap of people them there. I know say you feel sad about the situation that happened between me and you, although it wasn't my fault. I go tell you the truth straight up. I am your mother and you need to listen. You see if you did listen to me, you wouldn't end up in this. You understand? So sometimes it's not good for you to follow a friend. You understand me? Because things will reach you. They go make you unhappy and sad. And the same place where you left from, a day you have to go back. Always make sure you have manners to your parent or your parents. Even though me and your father not there together no more, I'm not going to tell you to disrespect him. I'm not going to tell you to you hear me and him in an argument. You must put yourself in there. It is not right. You understand? Else when you turn adult and ready for have your children, what you do? Or what them can do to. Children live where they learn and learn where they live. Me need you to listen to me. Understand what me I say. Because if you listen to me keenly, you will learn and understand say outer road not pretty. Friend will lead you astray. You're lucky you never get pregnant. Can you not listen to me? I go carry a doctor to make sure say alright. I not say nothing happen to you, you know.
You don't have to worry about that. I'm not them type of person. All I need is some attention. That's why I'm there back and forth. And I cannot find it. And I feel like say you are the right person to give me that attention, but you just don't got the time, and that's the problem. Because the other day when me call Daddy and I was talking and say, you love me, you don't have the time. I know say you love me, but I know say you just don't have the time, and I just need the attention because, as we did say, you not trust your pitney around man. And it's better if you raise me or you want to raise me, because if you did that here, things will happen in the past wouldn't happen. But I don't blame me, I blame myself. Because I should have listened to you from the get-go and just ease myself and wait.
My daughter, I understand everything what you just said to me. I am your mother. I should have paid you more attention. And when we, mother, don't pay with children no attention, things can happen in a real life. And I rather you stay with me because it's a girl child. You say if you did boy now, you could have lived with your father. So what you just say you're correct. Only because me dey work. And me did kind of busy, but me should have still make time for you. You understand me? Because if them fire me from them work, me go have to look at another job. But you go always be my daughter. I love you. And I know you love me. I just the devil. You make trick you. And it cause all of them problem here. But me understand and me forgive you. I even forgive myself. You understand me? Me understand. You're big enough and want me to talk to you. So as from now on, I am going to pay you attention. You see that dirty girl there? Where you end up gone live with him and your father. Me know she no mother for a long time. She no mama. She's a careless or little rich. You understand? And love to take disadvantage of other people's children. She's a wicked. No wonder why God no give her no pitney. But don't worry yourself. Me love you here, my daughter. And you will always be my daughter. No problem. Me understand. Anyway, come on. I make you go and fresh up yourself. Because that dirty girl, they must feel say close them when you left up our yard, you want them.
You subscribe yet?
Got a call from your mom today, the things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. She's missing the company of her daughter. You could have replaced the love of her mama. From the moment you left home, things was just not the same. Things were just not the same. Standing facing the mirror like a soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. She's trying to hold on to the times that remain. Sometimes it can feel so hard till it drives you insane. for daughters.